Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to delete a playlist on YouTube. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see, I'm on YouTube PC, and in here what are you going to be doing is simply head over to your left side of your screen. As you can see, we have this home menu, short, subscription, and etc. And below you can see you have all of your playlists going on. So you can see I have my playlist in here, and you can simply click on that, and once you do, you can see interfaces opens up, and in here you cannot see any option to delete your playlist, but when you click on these three dots, you can see you have this option to delete your playlist. So you can simply use this option to delete your playlist, or if you want to remove a video from your playlist, you can see when you hover your mouse on top of a video, you have this option of three dots. You can click on that, and in here you will have this option to remove remove from my playlist. So yeah, this is the option, and if you want to simply delete the playlist, you can simply click on these three dots which is right beside this download option, and click on that, and from here you're going to be selecting delete playlist. So that's a pretty simple process on how to delete your playlist on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to drop a comment and subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you.